On the 31st of May 2024, the Secretary of the New Trib Youth Council HYC, Isaac M. Basayomoit, appeared before the investigating officer at the Sadar Police Station in Shillong following a summons related to the demolition of an illegal settlement in the Loam Survey area. Addressing reporters, Basayomoit stated that like other HYC leaders, he had met with the police and answered their questions. He emphasized that despite the legal actions against the organization's leaders, the HYC remains committed to its goal of eradicating drugs from society. He affirmed that the HYC would persist in its efforts to combat the drug menace without fear, aiming for a completely drug-free community.
Cakap dah sini so kelas tu, dapat dengan Muhammad Presiden dan tak sini dapat yang harus tunjuk ni one batch, penilaian terikat, dapat keluar dari jah Loam Survey, bajah Loam Survey dari drugs, dari jengkat ini dari penting, bagi nimla, bagi ya cuy Muhammad tentang drugs, terikat kita kan, kondisi ini kadang seluruh, kadang fluid. Bangin tenang yang drugs bertendang ai mesti su ini nak kalian jungi kita dalam nimsong fair su kasi siap ngat kies kendon labun kami ambil su sin mikong labun sin ngak sakrap kies labun sin ngak sakot ini jing hot ni ko sadaru yuan baik nimret nimsmit tatai ni smart ni karai kabar jenis mat indang kendang susu jungi drugs bagi nimsong haj nimsong pipi mentan hidup nir min persiang ni kendang menen lu pelai kendang kendang batang ni smart ngina kendang bagi tu aduh indalak menurut